Thing that had come on Navin Times about the leakage in the central library. And I had raised the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister, which is a matter of an important issue. Almost 41,000 books that were of 1524, and there are reports that the sixth floor is leaking and the books are in a bad state. AG Dakkar High Courtan घेतलेली, and they had said that they had ordered to AC जे थिंगा चलताले for the last 10 years are not working properly. 2 crores as or tender to maintain those books who AC काढला. But if you look now, it is shocking to see that all these books that having Portuguese, Italian, French, Konkani in knowledge, he really graced kai. A book putting they have been damaged. There are reports. Chief Minister didn't want to answer. दूसरे आम्ही जो point काढला with regards to my question. Now, you see, this was my question that I had put to the Law and Judiciary Department, and it had 5 sub-questions. So, this was the question originally put, and it was with regards to details of expenditure on matters of High Court and Supreme Court of environment, wildlife and legal fees. दूसरे हल्ले of High Court and Supreme Court pertaining to land conversion. My details of expenditure of High Court pertaining to Mother Madhuri and wildlife. High Court expenditure pertaining to several government employees, NGOs. और प्रश्न means this government is known for litigation. ये अगर इसका रात्या मोदे, this has been changed. So this is the now the question that was today's star question. See this and see this. B, C, D, E was removed. They are basically hiding facts. The speaker should take serious cognizance of this. I have already informed him. I have showed him the question in his foyer. I have told him that this is a very, very serious matter. If we are coming here not to do time pass, and who's doing this? I think we will also, if required, moving a breach. If we study the matter, and this is what is given. दूसरे आम्ही ज्यांना प्रश्न येलो about nationalization of rivers, and the minister kept on answering. Basically, there should be some sanctity of the house. I agree. He was saying that Digambaran te corona, Parikaran corona. Put on note, if you look at it, this is the copy. It's not very clear. This is the copy of the cabinet note that was moved. And it is very clear that Parsekar said that I agree with the views of this particular BJP government of nationalization Korpa. So the BJP government is responsible. They have no answers with regards, no control over dredging, over all these areas that come under the purview of with MPT, MP, and barik fishermen. Today they are worried. They don't know what is their future, and tomorrow under the name of कितें करपा शकता हां ते हे था की कुट्टाडे एक जेटी प्राइवेटाइजेशन जातलो. कुट्टाडे जेटी is being privatized. आज कुट्टाडेचो आमदार has objected it. So हो सरकार पडा सगळे आमगे जी गिरेस्त काय belonging logistics to the common man, they are out to basically sail wholesale of Goa, and if they are not able to understand, I have requested the Honorable Speaker. I can see there is a lot of dictation that is happening from the Chief Minister. This should stop. This is democracy, and he is the custodian of the house. We respect the fact, and I believe that as leader of opposition, it is my duty to stand and say what is wrong. Wherever we stand up, I believe that basically we are asked to boast. I speak on facts. Now another fact. आज प्रायव्हेट मेंबर्स रेझोल्युशन मूव केलेले आणि लास्ट मिनट एमी हे भायर उडयलें. इनफॅक्ट आय वॉज नंबर 1 एज पर द लिस्ट, आणि हे भायर उडयलें. दीस वॉज रिगार्डींग जे हे घातकी आनी पातकी डिफेक्टर जे गेले तेंचे विरुद्ध आमी हे एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ एक आमी स्ट्रॉंग करपाक जाय म्हणून. आय जस्ट रीड इट. It says that the anti-defection law has played havoc with the people's mandates, particularly in Goa, with the speakers not deciding the anti-defection dispute. The House expresses anguish over the matters and unanimously requests the central government to take a lead in moving the parliament to suitably amend the anti-defection law, to do away with the concept of merger and to hand over process to a judge to be designated by the Chief Justice of the respective High Courts in cases state assemblies by the Chief Justice of India and Parliament. Any discussion na, he has a right to amend when it is accepted. Number and 500 mein hai, 500 accept zara. So this shows that basically they are not serious. That is why I felt that we need to highlight to the people that je issue आम्ही घेवपाक सोदता. We try our best to take it, but the speaker has to be a neutral authority. He is the custodian of this house. I believe that he should give us opposition also a chance to speak.
फॉयरान केले म्हणले न्हू तो क्वेश्चना लागून जो रिप्लाय मेळ्ळा तुमकां स्पीकरा कडल्यान?
No, he said he's going to look into it. I had requested that you postpone it. You take it next time. When I have asked, आमकां पयलीं सद्या 5 वर्सांचे मेळटा विचारपाक, 5 सब क्वेश्चन आहाय. आन्सर जरी तर हे दिनाय, आमदारां दिनाय, लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशना दिनाय, जाय ते आन्सरां ट्रान्सफर करता. I have a whole list. I will on the last day highlight that. All the list. Transfer, one question was with regard to transport on black spots. Black spot accident जाते. Then तेमी transport department and transfer करून PWD धाडले. PWD मागीर ते 100 दिसान transfer करून home department धाडले. After home department, then it is sent back to transport. So I think this is basically like a murder. जायते भाशेन हे ट्रान्सफर जाता, हे जाता. No system has been looked at. We look at the answers also. It's absolutely. We will definitely expose all this on the last.
Okay, you have mentioned about the river nationalization. तुमको उलोवपा दिना, but why you didn't reply कित्याक काय कोणाक
See,
minister?
कितें हमारे reply पढ़े हाँ, तो you saw he was for about 13 or 14 minutes. He was reading an MOU. We also have that MOU that he was reading. So the part was that when it was a joint question, all of us felt that we have to take one supplementary. I stood up and I said that I corrected him. He was misguiding the house. He was saying that ये तेंक national एक power है हे करपाक. Power आहे ते जालें, पण केलं कोणे, सुरवात कोण केली? पयलीं जेन्ना दिगंबरा टायमार आसली तेन्ना ना म्हणे. तेन्ना मागीर पर्रीकरानूय ना म्हणे. No, this is not our baby. They said this is not the baby of the BJP. मागीर पार्सेकराचे तो उलयलो ना. These two काणी सांगले. So I stood up, I showed him the particular, this is the particular noting of the file. And this is where they agreed. So our rivers were sold. This government double engine पड़े हाँ, ये सगले जे आमी गिरेस्काय, they are only selling left, right, center.
It was very sad when the Honorable Minister Alex Baban Multan, and it is not within the rivers are not within the purview of state government. आता 40 आमदारां निवडून हाडले. And what is our law? Members of Legislative Assembly, आमकां काय ती करपाक in interest of Goa and Goans हे आमकां हाडले 40 जाण. समज जर मिनिस्टर आणि चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणटा हे आमगे स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट आमगे न्हंयो गोंयकार आल्यो समज 100 नदी सांबाळपा जायनाय, जाल्यार वॉट इज द पॉयंट? वॉट आर वी हियर एज MLAs? आनी जेन्ना हे परस आमी समज सुटावे करपाक सोदताय, सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट आमगे न्हंयो गोंयकारांक न्हंयो समज ते आपणा ताब्यान घेवपाक नॅशनलायज ऑलरेडी केल्यो आनी ते व्हरोंक सोदताय, जाल्यार वाय वी आर एज MLAs, वॉट इज आवर रोल? पयर एक एसे परस जाला जो सेंट्रल जो मिनिस्टर येयल्लो तेन्ना एक बारीकसो ट्वीट केल्लो की बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू गिव हिम द फॅक्ट्स करेक्ट. इतलें म्हणलें, प्रेस घेवना अशें करून कांय उरना. म्हणजे एक ट्विटाचेर एक स्टेटमेंटाचेर तांकां तीग जाणां जे एकलो तितून तो तें काम बीम कांय ना आतां बेकार आहा तेका मोदी बसून हेमी म्हजेर स्टेटमेंट काडपाक लागले. वॉट रॉंग डीड आय सी? आय सेड ओनली थिंग वेन ही कम्स बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंट शूड गिव देम द फॅक्ट्स रायट वेन ही वॉन्ट्स टू स्पीक. ही शूड ऑल्सो नो वॉट 60 years काँग्रेस हॅज डन. काँग्रेसान जे 60 वर्स केलां हें सगळें लिंकून हायलां. हे काँग्रेस हे बीजेपीन 10 वर्सां केलां, काँग्रेसान कांय केलां म्हणून ते केलें ते 60 वर्स कितें केल्लें हे तुमगे सेंट्रल मिनिस्टराक हे सगळें सांगाय म्हूण हांव इतलें स्टेटमेंट केल्लो. हे बाकी सगळें उलोवपाक लागलो. तो एकलो आहा तेका कांयच काम ना. तो फकत आटाय तेका मोदी बसयताय आनी कितें सांगता आसतलें, बाकी कांय तो नॉलेज आसपाना तेका. बट इतलेंच आतां हांव हेलो बी म्हणटालो केरला आमगेले वायनाड आ सेंटिमेंट्स आहा विथ द पीपल. बट जाय जाणांनी गोंयकार गोंयच्या पॉलिटिक्सान थिंग जमीन घेवन दवरलो आहा ती तरी लोकांक आमगे वायनाड गेली ती ही जी हारामा पयस घेवन तरी जमीन थिंग घेयलो आहा ती गेल्या एक टायमार सदां लोकां न्हू आय एम नॉट सेईंग पीपल बट ही जमीन तरी कितें जाल्यार बरें आसलें लोक मोन गेला ही जमीन सारका तें चोवपाक गेला तेराला तेगे जमीन आहा काय म्हणून ती जमीन चोवपाक
आता
गेला
युरी बाबतींत एंटी डिफेक्शन हें घातलेलें सो तें आतां तुमकां दिसना आफ्टर 2 years तुमी घातलां ह्या आदी तुमी घातलेलें
So we had put it in the last session. Try and understand. Same one I put for 2 sessions. But मगे तो नंबर लागो ना 5 लोकांगे घेते 5 लोकांगे ते घेते कळू का ना so it got listed this time. It was number 1. We put it right from day 1. We check. We have put it मगे ते list जाऊ ना number list जाऊ एकुसा list जाला आणि then गेल ना
ओके त्याच्यात तुम्ही जेन्ना उलयला तेन्ना आनी एक दिगंबर कामतान कमेंट केला आनी तितून तुमी सुद्दां कमेंट 7 तारखे उपरांत कितें जातलें तें
7 तारखे उपरांत त्यात कितें हा एक्टर जोरी तर हा सायड एक्टरूय आसताय न्हू आतां दुसरे आहाय ते डाकू बिकू बी ते सगळे सपोर्टींग सगळे आहाय ते विलन आनी कोण आहाय ते मातशे
कामराल बाबूय मातशें
मातशें हें जाताय ते
उमेदीर
ते उमेदीन
कामराल
कितें मेळटा काम
बरें कोण आसतले
युरी केरला कोण गेला म्हणटा तुम्ही
केरला कोणा हिंगा कोण जमीन गेलो ती रे हे बीजेपी सरकारान सगळं न्यूज काढले आम काढला
केरला कोणा म्हणटा तुम्ही
आता हे पाटी चोवपाक गेला आसलो आपणांगे आहा हांव गेली ती
कोण तो तुमचो
हेच म्हण एलओपी सांगता
तो ओपन हा क्लोज हा
बरें